anim time plus equals anim cooldown. Right? Am I right? See how this. See what this does. Nope. Sorry. They just still got their little motor legs going on. And it's adorable. um, Anim time? Am I not initializing? I thought. Wait. Anim time. Am I not initializing anim time correctly or something? Because I feel like that was supposed to be it. Anim time equals time dot time. Oh, anim. Oh yes, anim cooldown is still set to 0. Right. That was the okay. So now let's see how it looks. So, yeah, look at that. So, like I said, I was like, I don't know, I I kind of wanted to test this out because I wasn't sure how this is gonna look, but I don't know. That could be worse, I guess. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Like, I guess it's an improvement, right? Like between the two, like I don't know. Do you? I don't know. Um, it's one of those things where like I wasn't sure like just trying to picture it in my head. Like I was like, well, it could look better, but maybe it'll just look weird or something. It looks better, right? It looks better. I bet it looks better. Yeah. Um, so I'm probably gonna switch over to this like when I can. Um, the thing is, when I switch over to this, we're probably gonna get a lot of like crashes and stuff. Because I'm guessing like even though we got the animation and stuff to work, I'm guessing there's probably gonna still be a lot like messy and wrong about um, some of the other stuff that we've moved over. Because like right now it's like hypothetically like connecting to like it's connecting to IRC and stuff like that, but it's not actually like doing anything really. It's like I don't know. I mean, we'll see. Like we haven't tried like running events and like doing all that stuff to like see if like the data is updating correctly and like all that fun stuff. So I feel like there's probably going to be a lot to do in terms of like getting it like fixed. But yeah, I mean that was like this is like kind of like what I wanted to do, I guess. This is like what I just figured like I don't know. It's the smooth scrolling backgrounds, I'll be honest. I wanted the smooth scrolling backgrounds. Oh, did I? Oh yeah, yeah. So the panel for one thing doesn't work, so I can't like use any of my dev cheats to try and like test out like other stuff. Because I was gonna say like I want. Well, I guess I can just I can do the old-fashioned way. I can just like hit the refresh button and like restart the script until it gives us the one of the backgrounds that I actually wanted. It's like this is what the cave looks like now, and uh, yeah. Sorry, I was just checking out the turtle. I think I might want to make the anim cooldown. I don't know. Yeah, maybe actually now that anim cooldown has nothing to do with frame rate, I think I actually want it better. I want it to be closer to like 0.25 instead of 0.2. I mean, not a huge difference, but all right. Yeah, I'm happy about that, I guess. So let's oh, one thing I was noticing is that there's like secret jitteriness about the backgrounds. Like the funny thing about the backgrounds is that like they still snap to pixels, and because like I think like with I don't know, with Pygame like it always asks for like pixel locations for when you're like blitting stuff. So like I assume it was asking for pixel locations. I assume like I don't know. What if I gave like a decimal? Like what if Pygame asked me for the position of a thing and I just gave it a because that's like what I was doing the whole like floats ints thing. Uh, hey, Made in Russia, how's it going? Welcome. Uh, um, yeah. So what is it? I'm doing like surface dot blit, and Oh yeah, yeah. So it's rectangles, I guess. So I wonder if I can. Yeah. So yeah. The reason I started thinking about this is like it's not as noticeable in the pirate ship, but in some of the other backgrounds, like you'll notice that like the layers kind of like jitter relative to each other because like they click, like they don't move position literally every frame, and so they actually like move positions. Oh yeah, that's gonna get annoying. I hope I can fix that because like it is really, you can really like notice like the jitter is that they like, yeah. Um, I mean there are a few ways that I can fix that. For one thing, I could just like change the way that it rounds so that it's more consistent. Um, because like mathematically, like it shouldn't be that jittery, or like there's no reason that it has to be that jittery. Even if I can't pass floats into Pygame rectangles, then it should still be fine. Um, but let's find out. Yeah, so because right, it just takes source and destination as rectangles. Can a rect in oh, special flags for passing blend. Oh, uh, interesting. Uh, huh. Wow, look at all those special flags. I don't think those are relevant to what I'm trying to do. Um, all right, yeah. So let's look at Pygame rectangles. Can Pygame rectangles float coordinates, or are Pygame rectangles integer only? Do do do. I don't know. I feel like that should just be said somewhere. It says like, okay, like left top width height, but like, what are these stupid values? Like, what are these stupid values? I mean, I guess maybe I'll just try like cleaning it up manually for starters. So instead of round, uh, what was it, like ESP? So instead of like instead of just like, oh, I guess I'd want to do that with like all of them, like all the instances of places where we calculate with the stuff and the whatnot. Yeah, so like round, would it be seal or would it be floor? Because it's like it goes backwards. It's like negative. It's like bizarro. So it'd be, we want the biggest one to click first. So it'd be floor. Or maybe it'd be either. Floor. I'll try floor. Is it just floor or is it like math.floor? I forget. I probably use it somewhere else in the script. Floor. Math.floor. Okay. Math.floor. Copy that. And let's replace round with, oops, round. Yeah, like in these cases, let's just replace these instances of round with math.floor, because I think that will get rid of the jitter. Alright, not the rest of that stuff. Okay. So let's see what that does. So it's hard to tell, because the jitter will only be... Oh, no. Actually, I guess the jitter is, like, kind of noticeable, like, all the time. Huh. I should try just passing in, floats to see if that works, because... I don't know. I feel like the jitter is enough to annoy me. And I mean, it's not like this is pixel art, so like, that's one of the advantages of not having pixel art, is that you don't have to worry about pixel edges. And like, I think it's probably pretty subtle, so like, I can probably come up with other ways to make it like, make it, I don't know. We'll see. Is it like, I don't know. Maybe it's not even that it's as a maybe it's not even like super jittery. It's maybe it's like maybe or like maybe yeah, maybe it's not that the positions like are moving in a jittery manner relative to each other. Maybe it's just like that the frame rate is inconsistent. Um I guess I mean yeah, I could look into that type of thing. Um oh yeah, there were also a few things I was going to do to hopefully smooth that out a little bit. It was just occurring to me like the way we message between threads, like the data, the the graphics thread or the main thread that runs the graphics can get hit with like I think this is probably fine in terms of well I just I want to see the cave or the or whoa, why was the snow falling so fast? I feel like it was supposed to. Oh no, I know why it was. I know I was doing that. I have to fix. That's one thing that I have to fix. Why does it stop showing me the river? Show me like the no, show me the cave. Uh, no, not the river. I don't want to see the river anymore. Stop showing me the river. Show me the no, not the river. Stop showing me the river. All right, this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, so right, so let's make the snow fall at a less crazy speed. Um, and then I guess we could try flipping the switch and no, no. Can we? Maybe, but I don't want to do that crazy thing to. There's still the unresolved issue of like the control panel because I don't want to do like the janky thing. Do I want to do the no? Yeah. All right. So yeah, I guess like once I'm ready to move on. Hey, congratulations to whoever leveled up. Once I'm ready to move on, I'm gonna either have to like do the janky thing or like kivy or like something. I don't know. I guess I'll probably give Kivy a shot. I'll probably just like assume that Kivy is like good and not bad, and then give it a shot or something. Probably. We'll see. Um, but I don't have to worry about that yet. I can yeah I can do some other stuff between now and then. Like for example, fixing the snow. So what is that? That'd be uh Uh, env dot type env dot type uh equals 2, right? Yeah. Uh, so hey, congratulations to whoever leveled up. Sorry, I can't see name tags, but I can see the flashing colors. All right, so if env type equals 2, yes, yeah, this is where we say yeah. So it's not just for times vert speed. It's what's that value? Delta frame or something like that. Delta frame. Yeah. Times blah blah. So do that here and here. Do we have delta frame defined for this context? Yes, because we calculate delta frame way up here, so it is ready to be used down here. Okay. So now if we do now the snow should fall at like a reasonable rate. Yeah. Well, that still seemed a little bit fast. It might be that I have the snow set to fall a little too fast. I mean, one of the other nice things is that I can set these speeds to be like they don't have to be integers anymore. I can set them as floats because they're like calculated first as oh, right. No, I'm not doing that actually yet with vert scroll. Vert scroll. is still handled as an int. So actually I should fix that also. Um, I miss my command where I could just teleport to a specific environment, because now having to hit like restart on the script until we get to the correct environment is less useful. It's less convenient. But the script isn't going to work again until Kivi, so we got some time. We got plenty o time. Uh, um, sorry. Yeah, that snow is falling way too fast. It's funny, the snow in the foreground is falling way too fast, and the snow in the background is actually falling at a reasonable speed, but whatever. Um, oh, did I? Yeah, wait, why is that? Oh, yeah, yeah, right, because I'm only doing it for one of the layers. Yeah, okay, okay. So actually, maybe it will be fine once I'm doing it correctly for both layers. I just forgot, like, this wasn't, like, this is, I did it twice, but that wasn't doing it for two layers. That was just doing it for both the current environment and the next environment, right? I also have to do it down here for these ones, right? Where's oh no, not here. Here, right? No, wait, where is it? Where's where's the other part where? Oh yeah, 300 vertical. Wait, where's the other part where delta? Wait, no, this should work. Yeah, no, this should have affected both of them. Right, because we do it for both layers. Do it for both layers. Why? What? Hmm. Um. Yeah. That should have worked. Actually, that should have worked. Hey, Wizardly Waffle, how's it going? Um. We're doing all right. We Oh, what am I trying to switch? I'm trying to get it so like the snow. Oh wait, was that a question for me? I'm trying to get it so that the snow, like both layers of the snow. Yeah. So if we can get back to the snow environment at some point, then I'll be able to explain about how. I'm basically the snow is falling like it's not. It looked like it was falling like really fast in the foreground and like really slow in the background. And oh wait, I could probably cheat this instead of having to just like hit restart and hope that we get the correct environment. I could probably like use a dev cheat. Oh yeah, there we go. Like it's falling like really slow, fast in the foreground, but it's like it looks like it's falling the correct speed in the background, or maybe it's just falling too slow in the background. I don't know. But like this is like same little snippet here is supposed to affect both layers. Near foreground, right? Oh no, it's not. No, it's totally not. But where's the other part where we do this if not here? Near foreground, for foreground. Okay, no, here it is. Okay. Okay, okay. All right, I'm not crazy. I'm a little crazy. I'm more forgetful than crazy. Uh all right. All right, we got it covered. Um Yeah, Wizards of Waffle. Yeah, we're doing art stuff, so it's interesting. It's cool. We're going places. We're doing stuff. Working on stuff. Um, yeah. Wait. Okay. So I need to check. I need to check out if if Pygame rectangles. I just need to know. So uh, so like Pygame rect float animation smooth movement Pygame. Smooth movement in pixelated space. All right, that's probably not a great. Uh, that's probably not a great start. I'm guessing the answer is no. I mean, I'm guessing that the answer is that like you can't. Oh, okay, yeah. Um, I always use close. I always use. Yeah, the main purpose of the rect is to represent pixel areas on the screen, which is still nicely handled by integers. Yeah. All right. So I think it's fun. I think this is gonna be okay. Whoa, why is it still going so fast? Oh, because I haven't restarted the script. Uh, I should really until I get my secret panel working again. Oh wow, that snow is really slow. I don't know if you guys saw it. It like only showed up for a second, but it was going really slow. Uh, uh, do, uh, sorry. I should really hook up those dev cheats so that I can control the environments and not have to just hit refresh a million times. um, but I mean, I don't have to worry about that like right now. Um, hmm. Although until I worry about that, I should probably just stop hitting the refresh button a million times. All right, yeah, no. What am I actually doing? I mean, I guess I could be getting ready to switch to like I could I could try I could try running this as the main script just to see. Oh, and there's one quick thing that I was looking at earlier that looks stupid that I kind of stopped paying attention to. It's the thing about how when an action tag is blank, it still shows up. Or like when one of the axe slots is like blank, it still shows like just an empty one on screen, and so I want to get rid of that. But um, yeah, the oh, you know what I can do to adjust the like I totally can control the like it's not that it'd be difficult to like put in those dev cheats. It's that like those dev cheats I used to have like I technically have those dev cheats through my secret control panel, except that the secret control panel doesn't work right now. So um yeah. I could re-implement them in different ways. I'm just being lazy. All right. So yeah, no, so the action tags, yeah, quick thing, I guess it's like, was it? It's axe slots. Yeah. So, right, so so what we say here is, if the length of act slots index 0 is greater than 0, then we do all of this stuff. Otherwise, we just skip it. Yeah. And yeah, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but I don't know. Enough things are working out like reasonably well that I'm tempted to like try and like run this as the primary script, just to see how that goes. I'm probably not gonna reactivate Twitter just yet, but I'll reactivate like Twitch, and so I won't interrupt this event, but like maybe like right after this event, I'll bring this up and we'll see how things go. Um, for the purposes of testing, I'll probably want, because I can't activate away mode through my secret panel, I'll probably want to temporarily have uh, away mode enabled manually, like have it set as the starting as like as defaulting to on, so that I can oh, you know what's gonna be really awkward is if I do mess up the IRC stuff, I might accidentally get Trusty Bard banned from the chat channel temporarily, which would be a little bit awkward. Um, Hopefully that won't happen. All right, so we'll see. All right, so is that all right? He's back, and so I think if I ran this version of the script, he would actually like connect to the IRC and all that good stuff. So soon, excuse me, soon we will see. Um, all right, so let's let's do what then? In the meantime, we can start looking at Kivi, I guess. Why not? Do do do. Where's the download page? Um, Windows 7 or 8. I never remember which of these my computer is. 86, 64? I forget. I don't even know what those numbers mean, I'll be honest. um, which is the more common one? 64-bit, okay. Sometimes it's 32, it's not 86. I don't know what those things mean. Wait, how come there's... Oh, 2.7, yeah. 2.7, 64, there we go. We can start downloading that, and... Okay, good. So that event concluded. Did anyone level up? Let's find out. Nope. Alright, so... Alright, I'm gonna stop the script. And now I'm gonna try this one. Oh yeah, I was gonna try away mode. I was gonna default it to true for testing purposes. So away mode equals yeah, here we go. Oh, wait a second. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Equals true. Message in. Message in what? I don't know. I'll assume I did that already. Oh, wait. No, I remember. It's because, yeah, because it gets controlled on another thread. So I was gonna, whatever. I'll just, oh, and I did make this one an actual queue. All right. So, all right. Let's see what happens. Not that I think anything bad is necessarily going to happen, but I will back up the player data thing just because, like I check in the like I back up the player data on the regular, but I just because we've been playing the game, like we've been playing. Oh, moved! No! Don't be doing that! Don't be doing that! All right, whatever. I'm just gonna. I accidentally moved it instead of copying it, so I'm just gonna let it finish its move and then copy it back. Because if I cancel it, like I have no clue what state it's gonna be in. So, all right, whatever. um, don't mind me. Just doing stupid things, like a stupid person. Doop doop. Doop doop doop. Sorry, excuse me. I was just thinking because if I just moved the players folder and didn't actually if I just moved the players folder and I didn't actually move it back, basically that would just mean that like all the player data in the game was just gone. Like everyone would be level 0. No one's accounts would be linked. Like, no one would have like any bonuses or anything like that. So it's a little important that I get this right. I guess I should probably be a little more careful when handling some of this stuff. Also, there's a lot of data now. It used to be that I could just like copy this over and it would take like no time at all, but it is getting to the point where like it's been doing this for like a minute and a half now, something like that. All right, so not much longer. Yep. So how are you guys today? How are you guys doing? Doing all right? All right. So players, copy this, copy it back here, and yeah. And then how's Kivy doing? Kivy's downloading still. 110 out of 191. All right. I wonder if Kivy can use like non-integer pixel coordinates. Because like yeah, the thing. Well, I guess I should probably start learning how Kivy works, right? Because because like the thing I was noticing in like the gallery is that like it seems like I could be using Kivy not just for the the secret control panel, but like hypothetically, I could be using it for like the game art too. Maybe, I don't know. That could be cool. Um, I mean, it could be simpler because I'm not enthusiastic about Pygame. Like I used Pygame because I was like it was suggested once. Um, or no, it was suggested a few times. I don't know. It's basically the first suggestion, or like yeah. I don't know. All right, let's try the script now that the player data is done copying back. Okay. Uh, what's gonna happen? I wonder. The most likely scenario is that it's gonna crash a lot. Did it already crash? What is this? All right. So we already have one error cooking. Uh, let's see what this is about, and then it could be that like the data thread crashed already. um, whoa, what? It crashed trying to say something? What on earth was it trying to say? Uh, huh. All right. Oops. Wait. Oh, and it's wait. What? All right. Well, this is clearly not correct because I am looking at chat. I'm just in the middle of something, Yakumas. I'm sorry. I do take advantage of the fact that like yeah. I think the data thread might have crashed. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, I hope Trusty Bard didn't get banned from chat. Cause like, what is this? Like, what is this? What is this that's happening here? I don't know. Um, I should probably run the other version of the script or something. I don't know. We'll see. Oh yeah. So what was in chat? Kivi uses Pygame under the hood. That's ridiculous. Okay. Let's sorry. Let me let me do what? Yeah, right. So what is this error about? The length of SayQ. Oh, right. SayQ doesn't have length anymore. Yeah, no, that's true. Whoops. All right. So yeah, I remember to check like basically all the other ones, but all right, here I have to stop the script, or I need to restart the script anyways. So I might as well. Actually, no, I could have left it running, but whatever. Testing. It's testing time. All right. So length of SayQ. Yeah, you're right. So oh right, and it's not SayQ.pop anymore either. Derp. It's um SayQ. I completely forgot to adapt how. Yep. All right. I was good about the rest of them. All right. So try yeah, while true try and then the accept is accept accept exception except spelled correctly except exception do nothing. All right, so what is it we do here? If say time so if actually I guess I could do that the other way around. I can say if say time is greater than time dot time, then we can try can indent this and right, so it's not say it's not right, so it'll be say say so like next say or whatever, next say equals say q dot get false get dot get false, and then we'll say next say yeah. All right. So that should be better. Are there other stupid? So like, what are the other Q.Qs that I declared? It was audio Q. Oh, I think I fixed that one up. Let's check. So audio Q. Oh, it's right here. Yeah. So right. Oh, whoops. Well, I wrote got instead of get. Other than that, it's probably seemed okay. All right. What were the other ones? The other ones were like the tweet queue and the data queue. Oh, I think I did the tweet queue okay. Did I do the data queue? Let's find out. Level tweet queue. I think this one worked out okay, right? Uh, yeah, get, put, good. And then what were the other ones? Yeah. Tweet queue. Put, yep, put, put, get, false, okay, yep, that one seems okay. And then, yeah, so what about the, oh, the say queue was the IRC data queue. Okay. So yeah, I did forget to do the IRC data queue. I completely forgot what it was, in fact. Okay, so that should be good now. Let's see. Unexpected. Oh yeah, right. This is supposed to be indented. All right, so yeah, so last I had to restart the script just then because the script wasn't actually connected to IRC. So like hypothetically, you could play the game through Twitter, but like, I mean, who does that? So, all right, here we go. Let's actually, I'm gonna keep this like center screen. Just I mean, you guys are. What the heck? I thought I got rid of this one where it blitz it even if it's 0 length. All right. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see what happens there. In the meantime, act slots. I could have sworn I just changed it. So if the length of act slots index 0 is greater than 0. What the heck? Oh, act slots index 0. No, it's supposed to be li index 0. Yeah, derp. Alright, so that should be fixed next time. I rerun the script. And, yeah, let's, alright, so does my secret panel, it just, like, doesn't work at all, right? It just, oh, wait, no, it's updating. Kind of. But it doesn't think that anyone actually participated in the event. That's weird. Because Yakimus clearly has. Oh wait, no. This thread must just be stupid or something. Or something? I don't know, because if you look down here, it is showing stuff correct. So like something's weird about something. But like if it's because it like I guess as long as I'm not gonna trust the panel at all. I'm just gonna go by the data that we see here. Because like the panel I knew was supposed to be broken. And I don't know. What time is it? It is 4:44. So actually, wait. I should check the time on OBS. It is. I've been streaming for 6 hours and 40 minutes. I mention that because I want to go back in the like after the stream. I want to go back and watch the video to see like how this looks. Actually, I guess I could just do it now, hypothetically. What? Trusty Bard, what are you talking about? Only one can win out. What will you choose? How's that happening? Because like the game clearly recognizes that like 2 people have chosen cut, 0 people have chosen stack, and yet, hey Sogom, how's it going? Yeah, so the game like only seems to like half recognize this because like Trusty Bard is acting like when Trusty Bard says what will you choose, that means he thinks that no one has actually chosen an action yet, and so that's weird. Uh, and then yeah, I don't know. I'm guessing. Oh, I'm guessing the event's never going to end either. Because if Trusty Bard thinks that no one has participated in the event, all right, that's weird. Um, I guess I'll leave it running because like it's not really going to hurt anything to leave it running. Oh wait, are the adventures are closer together than usual, aren't they? Are they? I don't know. I can't tell if they're like, huh. I guess like I don't really use like the full space. I mean, like they're not overlapping or anything, but like hypothetically, there's like supposed to be like a wide space between the adventures, in case like because like if your animal companion is like a horse or like a dragon or something, then like you know we'll want room for your horse or dragon so that it's not like I don't know. Oh wait, is huh? Are people like no? Yeah, no, no. Okay. I was like, for a second there, I was like, wait, are people like walking in the exact same pace? Because like the two foxes are like at the same frame of animation, aren't they? They're like hopping in sync, and I don't know what that's about. Or no, I guess no, they're not exactly in sync. They're just like very okay. They're just very close to okay. All these little things, all these wonderful little things. All right, so let's figure out like why. Whoa, okay. Here's here's something. Oh, dead of pens. No, not dead of pens. Oh, okay. Well, that would. Nah, I don't know. Well, that's something, but I was gonna say that would explain the. Oh, wait a second. When did it evaluate this? Did it? It did try to. Did it try and evaluate the end of the event? Oh, I guess it did. And then the data thread crashed. All right, so I'll restart the script because apparently it was go. I don't know. All right, I'll restart the script just for more testing. Um, but yeah, one thing I'll want to check out is the excuse me, sorry. I'm not actually going anywhere. I'm just gonna mute the microphone for 1 second. I'll be right back. Sorry, just 1 second. Sorry for the delay. Okay, so yeah, Trusty Bard is going berserk. What are you talking about? Trusty Bard is going berserk. Um, I don't understand what you're talking about. Um, is he like is I don't know. I like it's not helpful to say he's going berserk. Like I seen like unless you can actually describe like something that he's doing that's like not normal, then like that's not helpful. Um, he, as far as I can tell, he's actually doing everything like. I mean, there's bugs, right? But like, all right. Um, yeah, and speaking of bugs, what was it? Yeah, it was okay. So yeah, what's how does Trusty Bard keep track of like clearly he did try and conclude the event and stuff. Like some stuff was working, but like an example of something that wasn't working was uh oh I've been talking about this Yakumas, so like all right, whatever. I already explained it once. I'm not gonna explain it again. But if you're interested to hear what's if you're actually interested in what's like happening, like I will tell you. And I literally did. I literally did. I literally said, "Oh, that thread crashed. Here, let me restart the script." And I gave like a much more detailed explanation. Anyways, that's not productive. So let's do something productive instead. Um, yeah. So like, I mean, like something's working, right? Because like we are getting like real data. The thing that didn't work last time around that we saw, yeah. And again, look, what will you choose? Uh, the thing, I guess I have to check what drives that, because I would have said it was like, the same thing that drives like this other stuff, but for some reason, Trusty Bard is not recognizing the he's not recognizing the participation specifically for the purpose of the uh, the mid time call outs, which I don't know. It's weird. It's weird to me. Where is that part of code? Uh, it should be really. Oh yeah, here it is. I was gonna say it should be really obvious because it should have like all this like weird like list of like strings. All right, so let's yeah, what is that? So only one can win out. So that's like the else case. Oh, and that's all based on what was the previous event? Wait, this event is event type 4 or 5. Oh, and there's a crash. Um, so this is event type 4 or 5. The previous one was event type 2. Huh. Sorry. I just think it's cute that Trusty Bard uh I just think it's cute that Trusty Bard said like the mission was a success, but then he didn't he didn't say like what would the outcomes were. He didn't say like perfect this and that, or like so and so whatever. He just his mission was a success. Take my word for it. And then of course there was the crash, but the um, the yeah. So I kind of had a hunch that like something was going to be wrong with the outcome, like the perfects, the nices, the whatevers, because why? Because right, because the criteria that determines whether he says like what will you choose or whatever. That's all. Oh no, that's based on the top list. Actually, I was gonna say that's based on like the values of like how well you're doing in the event. But no, apparently the top list is failing to get populated for some reason, which would explain why. All right, well maybe the crash at the end of the event is gonna be some uh, no no attribute gain. Oh, that's true. Yes. All right. Well, that's a pathetic crash. Uh, yeah. We don't keep track of gain on the data side anymore because gain, like we add the experience, but we don't have to. Gain is just like how much experience has been gained since the last time we showed the player's name tag and stuff. And all right, so yeah, so I was kind of hoping this crash actually would have something to do with what um what we were seeing. What? Oh, oh wait, no, this was pointing to this line. Level up index 0 equals 0. Yes, that would crash, wouldn't it? Uh, right. So I should have just left this the other place. I should have just left this probably the other place. Probably. Yeah, yeah. I'm just gonna put this back to where it was before, which isn't perfect either, but uh, nah. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna do it this way, anyways. Okay. So, where would this go? Where's the other place for this? I think it was like here. Yeah? No. No. Where'd this actually go? Level up index 0. No, no, no. It happened, here. Wait, no, no. like somewhere in this vicinity. Yeah, no, no, no. It happened. It happened here. That's the ticket. Do do do. Uh, Bye, Alchemist. Uh, level A, level up. Yeah, level up index 0. Level up index 0 equals 0. Yeah, I guess this is fine. Except, actually, how do we handle level up 0 equals 0? Oh, I could probably restart the script now. Um, uh, yeah. So if level up 0 equals 0, then yeah, hold on. There's a bug here. It's not urgent, so I won't hold up restarting the script, but there is a bug here where sorry, it just amuses me that we teleport we like go to a location then we teleport. Whatever. Yeah, no, there's a bug here where if the player gets re Oh, no, I know what we can do. Yeah, yeah. So we'll say hmm. Yeah, no, what do I want to do here? It's like uh um um excuse me. Right. So sorry. I was like the gears in my brain were turning. I just like I all right. So basically the idea here is that this the level up list like typically keeps track of like the new level that the player will be gaining, but I'm setting it to 0 to indicate that like level up is like to be processed. Oh, yeah, no. Sure, this is easy. I'll just say yeah, all right. So like we set level A equal to uh we set whoops, no, what am I wait, what am I doing? No, 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 that's not right. Uh yeah, what was it? We're setting dot level A equal to the value of that, and then we're clearing the value of that. Instead, we can just do the opposite. We can just set like level up index 0. Uh, oh, did I switch the key back? I might have forgotten to switch the key back on the other one. So level up index 0 equals player dictionary level A, and then yeah, and then we're like good to go. The what was it that I yeah, right, so the key, I think I might have gotten the key. Oh shoot, if I got the key error wrong, then if I get the key wrong up here, then that'll probably cause a crash. Oh no, wait, uh did it yeah, I did get the key wrong, so this will probably crash if someone levels up. But what can you do? Alright, so yeah, just for consistency, I'll use NADV instead of CDD. I mean, CDD and NADV are like equivalent in this case, but that's fine. Alright, so yeah, wait, I'm pretty sure CDD and NADV are equivalent in those cases, but I mean, I should be using NADV because that's like technically cleaner. Alright, so then yeah. So again, Trusty Bard still can't recognize. Yeah, what the heck? Trusty Bard still can't recognize that like top list is still like not populating correctly for Trusty Bard for some reason. What is that about? Top list, alright, so and again, alright, so he says the end of the event fine, but he doesn't say like who gained experience. He does recognize that Capsilent and Protospasm participated in the event, except that he he only awards 1 point of experience to either player. So it's like he can only just recognize that players participated, and not. So yeah, something in there's not getting set correctly. So what drives this print? This print that we're seeing, which is actually tracking the data correctly, like that seems to be like the one that's actually working. So um, that's got to be like, I don't know, voices or something. Uh, I feel like I feel like in voices we probably like print that out. Um, so yeah, what do we print here? Anything? Wait, do we not print anything here? We don't print anything in voices? No. We don't print anything in voices? So wait, what is that? So that might have to be process events then. But if wait, what? If that was process events then uh really? I mean, I guess so. Um Process events. Now let's go to the definition of process events. Uh yeah, alright, so what do we print here? The top list. We're printing we're printing top list. um oh. Oh no, I know exactly what's happening. Um this is not global top list is not global top list. Wait, no, it should be. I should have moved it to that. I might have forgotten to move it to the, or I might have for some reason neglected to move it to that like separate that's special. Yeah. I'm still declaring it here, whereas I'm supposed to be declaring it in that. Right. That special corral where I have like where I put those variables that happen in weird places. I forgot to do that. Like I did that with basically everything except for the process events. And processing events is debatably a fairly important sort of thing to be handling for the data thread. So, yep. So I don't know. I'll just put so like global top list. Top list. This is I don't know. I guess I'm probably not doing this anywhere yet. I'm doing it in here, but out here, yeah. Okay. And that's fine. And then so right. So yeah. So I have to do that for all the things in process event. So action. Wow. Yeah. Okay. So this is gonna. So what can happen right now is um the game is playable right now, but you only get 1 experience point per event. The good news is that it's permanently stuck in away mode, so the events happen fairly often. um, but yeah, let me see what I can do. I can get that fixed in not much difficult with not much difficulty. So all right, so top list I did already. What are the other ones that I need to do? So action dictionary, if I'm not doing that already. Nope, I'm not. Bonus dictionary, probably not doing that yet already. Influence dictionary, probably not doing that yet already. A total, I total. Yeah, look at all this good stuff. All these global things. So I total, is that all of them? Nope. Raw f name. Top list. Top list. Inf list. Yeah. I specifically remember when I set up this. An outcome. Wait, outcome was kind of working. Right? Because Trusty Bard was still saying like, oh no, he wasn't. He was. Sorry. Right? Yeah. No. He. Oh wait, no. Well, actually, I can't tell. because like that time the input was Banto and Acton, and so actually the oh whoa, and we did get another crash. Look at all this progress we're making. We're making so much progress, you guys. All right, so okay, so as we did with the other stuff, let's let's do these ones too. Sorry, sorry. It's just horrifying. All of this stuff that we've got going on here. All right, so top list equals. All right, so um, it's like yeah, the whole past few days have been like really outrageous because I like the whole. It's been so long since the project has been this like shattered and broken, and it's like I mean I guess I kind of knew what I was getting into going in, but it's still really weird to have it this way. So all right, so action dictionary equals so yeah, it just equals the dictionary, bonus dictionary, influence dictionary, do doop, and then I'll undent that in a second because in these cases I have to call these global instead. Global. Global. Oh, and here these are some of my other values too. Now that I think about it, or now that I look closer. I total, a total, outro string. Yeah. These things are like all part of the plan. Global. Wow. I guess I just like super grouped these all together. Because I think this is like pretty much exactly that list. A total, I total. Oh yeah. Oh wait. These should all. Well, actually, before I do that, yeah. This is like pretty much exactly those things, right? A total, I total, raw, f name. Oh, outro string. Apparently not. Oh, so I can undo that one, but yeah. So outro string doesn't have to be global. I mean, it's like probably wouldn't hurt if it was, or whatever. But I don't like this section that I have going on up here, anyways. So, alright. So these ones don't need the global. They don't need to be like that. And then back down where I had all that global stuff, I can get rid of the assignment operations because I'm pretty sure that's not good. Usually it doesn't like it. If you declare something, if you try and like assign a thing as you declare it as global, tends to get a little squeamish about that. So like all these, dupe, 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 dupe. Oh, that one can stay. Dupe, dupe, and dupe. All right. So what is this crash about? Event start. Oh no, that's not. It's not the correct line number anymore. Q instance. Oh, append. I'm trying to append another. Ugh. Graphics messages dot put. Not append. Put. I could have sworn I searched through all of the messages dot append. Yeah, there aren't any anymore. I don't know where I keep coming up with these things. It's kind of impressive in some ways, and like pathetic. Horribly pathetic in other ways. Alright, so here we go. Oh, hey, we're on a boat again. Thank goodness. There are like only 2 events on the boat. But, I guess it does, yeah, it does come up statistically as frequently as all the other possible, great. Literally the same event, back to back. What variety. What wonderful variety we have here. Alright, I just want to see, I want to make the screen look all weird, so I'm going to do that. I just, yeah, it's still irksome that, like, it's still a little irksome that I don't know, I feel like there's, I mean, I think it's, like, it's especially true, like, when the script first starts up, is, like, the frame rate isn't as smooth. Like it seems like it takes a little while to get smooth. Once it does, it's like pretty good, I guess. But then there's stuff like that like I wish it just instead would not do that. It would be nice if it instead did not do that. I guess this is fine though. Mostly fine. It's not bad. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. Um, all right, so yeah, you can uh, uh, you can capitalize the action tags however you like because the game treats them all as lowercase. So like uh, so for example, you can say I am super psyched about Acton, and that counts as participation. So yeah, so for example, we see this first Acton was yours, Asado. That was when you participated, and so we can see after that point, it recognized that there was one person who had chosen Acton, and then we can't really see it yet. It's probably still off screen, but here's the second one is from when I chose Acton, and then again, it's not probably not visible on screen yet, but it now says like two people have chosen Acton. Here, I'll just move it on screen. Yeah. So there works. Uh, so yeah. Okay. Well, oh, yeah. Trusty Bard. Speaking of capitalization, uh, uh, speaking of capitalization, and yeah, Banto did also work. There's now one. Is now recognized as two Acton, one Banto. But yeah, speaking of okay, so I actually added in like a feature for Trusty Bard so that Trusty Bard could say those things correctly. The thing that I forgot about is is using that feature in the case of influence list. Okay. All right. So and another crash. How is it getting more crashy? It feels like it's getting. Oh, because now we're evaluating down those code paths. So, all right. So, well, there's that. Uh, wow, Protospasm has as much influence, has almost as much influence as Asado and myself combined. I mean, I have like zero influence, don't I? I don't know. Okay, so yeah, what just crashed? Well, all right. Do I want to bother with this right now? It's kind of awkward to like I added in this thing where like Trusty Bard can remember like the proper way to say like Acton, like Acton with a capital A. Like in the result message, he said, "You bring the Great Vessel about and head for the nearest port. Nice Acton and Banto." Like he capitalized them correctly there. So yeah, like um, I think uh, I I'll worry about that later. Let's do the crash first. It's slightly more important. So G player dictionary, next adventure. Oh, hey, look, it's that bit of code that we were just looking at a second ago. Um, list index out of range. Wait, what? Doesn't make any sense. We're checking if G player dictionary index. Oh, player dictionary. Derp. Wow, how did I miss that one? That's not supposed to be player dictionary. It's supposed to be G player dictionary. Yikes. Uh. Is there? All right. Well. It's probably that's probably like the only situation that I was making that mistake. Probably. Again, like I remember like sweeping for all those things, and so I don't know exactly how those errors are getting introduced, but I'll restart the script and let's oh yeah, so just a by the way, I have Twitter disabled right now, so I'll have to remember to do it later. But just like for the current situation, like for the current time, what like yeah, like Trusty Bard won't Trusty Bard won't like tweet level ups, and he's not currently checking for like link data or anything. He will check for all that stuff like once he comes back online, but like for right now he yeah, he's just playing it cool. Okay, so uh yeah, I don't know if I want to I don't know if I want to bother with like the influence lists. I mean, I do, I guess. It's like it's just irksome. I shouldn't. I just. I don't know. I should just make it so that you never put that I never put like proper nouns in the the action tags, so that way I don't have to worry about capitalization. But like, yeah. I don't know. All right. Oh, yeah. So before I do that, I'm just gonna look at another thing that's not like directly related, but I just yeah, I'm I'm cramming top to lower like right off the bat, which I don't know. I don't know if I should be doing that necessarily. I might want to come back to that at some point. I won't worry about it right now, but like there are some situations where I'm like using lowercase where I don't have to be. Um, so like I I don't even know what the action item is there, but like I think there are some ways that I could use capitalization. Um, but like not just but, like right now like this is literally like everything I get from IRC I'm just automatically making it lowercase. And like I there are a lot of situations where I will want to use lowercase just for like because like I think dictionary keys are like case sensitive possibly. So like if I didn't go lowercase, then it the dictionary keys would get messed up. But then they're like yeah, I don't know. I'll that's something that like occurs to me now and then, and I'll have to consider that at some point. Not right now though. All right, so let's was there yeah I guess yeah this the mid time messages. Um, I mean I guess I what do I do here? Um, yeah, because like it gets referenced like these things get referenced so many different times in so many different ways. I guess like the easiest thing to do would be um, to like yeah, I guess I'll just be like right. I'll just be like so we process event and then we start setting up the say string and then so what we'll do is uh did we get the boat again? I restarted the script and we got the boat again. I was sorry, I wasn't paying attention. It didn't occur to me until just now, but that is outstanding. That was like yikes. um, all right, so yeah, all right. So I'll just say like inf list uh cap or I'll say like inf list proper equals empty list and No, inflist proper equals inflist. Or no, whatever. It just equals an empty list for a sec, for now. And then what was the other one? So inflist and top list are the two that I use here. Yeah, inflist and top list. So top list proper equals a blank list, and then so for I in range length inflist we'll say if what am I doing here? I guess yeah, no, I'll just say if okay, so if inflist index I index 1 in curev dot what's it called? Action names. Yeah, wow, cool. Autocomplete. Good job. You got that one. Yeah, so if inflist in curev action name dot keys, then we'll say inflist dot append curev dot actions action names index inf list index I index 1 else we just append inflist, not inflist, sorry, not inflist dot append, but inflist proper dot append. Yeah, and so then otherwise we just say inflist proper dot append and then just the then that in this case it's just the name itself. And we'll do this for the top list too. So yeah, in these cases it's the length of top list, and it is top. Wait a second. Influence list and top list have the same entries on them. Yeah. Influence. Yeah. Wait. I don't have to do this twice. So I'll just say. So actually, yeah. So I'll do this differently. I'll just say like proper names. So like proper names equals right. Influence list and top list are literally the same length. Right? They're just in a different order. They're just sorted differently. That's like the only difference between inflist and top list, if I recall correctly. Am I right? I think that's true. Let me double check. That would be in process events. So process events, inflist, so for li and top list, yeah, we just slap together, yeah, inflist based on the, yeah. Okay. So yes, that is a safe assumption. All right, so we can just put together proper names. Proper names, I'll just make it a dictionary because it's easier to look stuff up that way. And then so if so for I in range, we can do either one. Influence this one, right? So it's not append anymore. It's just that proper names index no, so it's proper names equal or index proper names index inflist index I index 1 equals cur actions names blah blah, and then alternately it's just that proper names equals just the value itself. Yes. All right, and we don't need this close parentheses anymore. All right, and so now when we would be doing these things, we can just say proper names index. Yeah. Let's do that for all of these things, all the things, all of these things. Look at these things, doing it good. And I do have to close the braces. I'm just gonna finish pasting these before I bother. Doop-a-doop. So the reason I couldn't just like okay, so that they don't all have proper names, and the reason like the other capitalization thing occurred to me is that like I can make it so that more of them have proper names. Actually, I guess I could make it eventually that they all have proper names. I'm not doing that yet because that's going to be like a lot more work. But yeah, as it is now, they only have proper names if they're prescripted events. Because if they're not prescripted events, then we don't necessarily know what the correct capitalization is, because the correct capitalization comes in through IRC. And right now, as we pointed out a moment ago, everything in IRC gets automatically lowercased. So yeah, actually, I guess right now, Trusty Bard. Oh, hey, we've done an event and it didn't crash. It didn't work right either because we're still on the boat, despite the fact that the game seems to think that we're in the village. And why would the game think we're in the village? If anything, all right, so something weird's going on, because like, yeah, so like we're getting these teleport commands, and then we're just like kind of ignoring them, I guess. Oh wait, yeah, because it says we're supposed to be in the village, although incidentally we're not supposed to be in the village. We're actually supposed to be in the river, because the previous quest. Oh no, I guess that's valid. If the previous quest dropped us off in the village, or if the previous quest dropped us off in the river, we might have transitioned to the village for our next event. That could have been fun. I don't know that it necessarily was, but it could have been. We'll find out. Yeah, but I guess let's look into why. So once I'm done putting all these square braces in so that the game doesn't crash, let's actually, I guess it wouldn't crash. It would just fail to run, which is kind of convenient in this case. But I have to do it someday. Yeah, let's look into why the teleport command is not apparently doing anything. So yeah, so the teleport command has failed twice, because even if we didn't stay in the river, we should have at least gone to the river for like a split second. Or not a split second, but like for, at the end of... No, we should have teleported to the river at the beginning of the last event, because the event actually was supposed to take place at the river. And then we should have teleported to the village for the riot, and then and now we should be in the snow actually, because we've just been going all over the place. All right, so excuse me. Oh, yeah. I deeply consider more paddle. Oh yeah. Okay. So I assume scoring. Yeah, it looks like scoring is back in and working, because it seems to actually be giving non-zero amounts of experience, or like it's So it seems, it does look like it's giving the correct amounts of experience now for the events. So that's good. We're getting there, getting closer. All right, and so I think the proper names are fixed. Not that that was a huge deal, but whatever. It's fixed now. And then what else? Sorry. I probably shouldn't make fun of Trusty Bard. I should be like the last person to be making fun of Trusty Bard. Probably, but um, uh, yeah. Let's let's do what? Yeah, the teleporting thing. Why? So yeah, we're getting the teleport commands like as evidenced here. Oh wait, are we though? We're getting that. It's saying hey teleport, but is it actually like are we? Is that message actually coming through anywhere? Are we still printing out the messages? Yeah, I think we are. So uh, so it's saying hey teleport. Graphics messages dot put teleport do now. But are we actually getting the so wait, it says why does it just say teleport here? Uh Wait, this isn't the hey teleport command that we were seeing. That's the wait. Um Cuz like this one this it says hey teleport print do now and then dev name. Um Whereas this one has four terms, so oh no wait no. No, that's correct. Yeah, right. No, it actually has. Like, this is actually the second term. It only has three terms. Yeah. So zero. Yeah. Uh, yeah. The thing that I'm not seeing though is the part where we process the teleport command on the as a graphics message. Um, which seems like it could be related. Wait, where are we now? Oh, we're back in the river because I'm pretty sure the farmstead takes place on the river. So there should be like another teleport command. Yeah, hey teleport river snow. Um, oh, bad graphics message teleport. What is that so? All right, well I guess that would explain it. Teleport. Uh, wait, what? Bad. It says bad graphics message, but look, we have ng message teleport right here. Why would you say bad graphics message? Teleport. What? What? What is this? What is this madness? Uh, uh, oh. 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 Wait. It's printing ng message, and it's only printing the phrase teleport, which means I'm forgetting the second term? I mean, it'd have to be, because otherwise... So ng message 0 would just be the letter T, if this was just... So teleport... Yeah, teleport and denv name, that one's correct. Yeah, and that one actually does work, as we've seen. Teleport... Oh, cribbity crop. Cribble crops. No, I forgot to put the square braces around this. I don't know why. Huh. And apparently it was just letting me put... Huh. That's weird. For some reason, put was accepting, like, multiple arguments. I don't know what the... Oh. Oh, the other arguments was probably, like priority, or, like, one of those other things that you can... Okay. Well, anyways, that should be fixed now. Okay. All right, that should be super fixed now, which is good. Uh, um, um, wait a second. Wait a second. Why does he say consider more corral instead? No one's actually participated in the event yet. That's funny. Oh no, I do know why he says that. Um, I do know why he said that. I hadn't considered that possibility. Wait, hadn't I? Had I really not? Um, yeah. I think this. this was one of those things that I had somewhat overlooked. Oh wait, I know what I can do to double check. Right, because like the thing that occurred to me is like, well, like okay, so when I implemented the midtime messages, oh, I'm gonna restart the script. Maybe I should take it out of. I'm gonna restart the script and take it out of away mode. Because I feel like we chopped through a lot of the like big obvious bugs, and I'd like to see some of the the bugs on like the longer time frame. So here, I'll restart this script. Yeah, I'll just restart it now. Actually, no. You know what? I'll leave the script down for a second, and then when I bring it back up, oops, proper underscore names. When I bring it back up, I'll have waited a moment so that it'll actually like populate the player list accurately. Actually, let me just give it a quick run to right. Yeah, more syntax errors. So okay, so it can run, and so I'll bring it down. I'll keep it down. I'll fix that thing that I was thinking I would want to fix real quick, and then when I bring it back up again in just a moment, it will hopefully populate the player list correctly, and then we can let it run on like a more natural time frame. Because away mode can get annoying, especially if the game is as buggy as it is right now. So, all right. So, if the length of top list equals 0, or influence lists index 0 equals 0. So if no one has participated yet, or if no one has participated yet, so in the case of adlib, a lack of participation is indicated by a 0 length top list, and in a prescripted event, or not even just a prescripted, no, not a prescripted, a fixed action event, then then it's impossible for a player to have 0 influence. So if the item at the top of the influence list has 0 influence, then that means literally no one's participated yet. So yeah, we're just gonna right. So sometimes when no one participated, in a fixed action event, Trusty Bard would come up with like a really weird thing to say about like what he'd come up with, like, I don't know, like for example, like hark, you stay the night at a farmstead shorthanded due to injuries from recent skirmish. You can uproot carrots, corral ponies. No one participated, and yet he said consider more corral instead. Like, yeah, no, you should have just said what will you choose. All right, so that's for event type 2. For event type 3, like so. For event type 0 and 1, those are fixed. For event type 5, like so. And then for event type 4 is the last one. Sha. Okay, there we go. Good then. All right, so in just a moment, I'll bring the script back up, and we can see what fresh new wonders are in store for us. And yeah, it's gonna be great. I'm sure. I'm sure of it. So, yeah. Yep. How are you guys and gals and gender in specific cool people? How are you? How are you all this fine whatever time of day it is where you are? It was really warm yesterday where I am, and I was really hoping that like this it would just mean like it's summer all of a sudden, like skip spring. Like the first month of spring so far has been like basically winter. So I was just kind of hoping that meant that we could just like skip spring altogether and just go right to summer, but not yet, not quite yet. I think it's a little bit chillier today. At least it feels a little bit chillier today. But soon enough. Do I know of any like obvious bugs that I should be fixing right now? I'm trying to think. I'll just bring the this wasn't the case. It seemed I think I don't know why this was I don't know why this seemed like it was the case before, but like I think this stopped being I think this stopped happening. The away mode always on thing. I don't know. I don't know what it did, but it seemed to have stopped happening. Oh, keep last tweet ID in case of multi-tweet messages. That is like that should not be on my to-do list. It should be on micro, if anything. Um, all right, so yeah, I will bring the script back, and we can see how that goes now. Do. All right, so yeah, stuff. Look at stuff, or don't. It's your choice. It's your prerogative. Okay, so what there's those two foxes are like best friends. They're like always right next to each other. Um, all right, so yeah, what was I thinking of? I was like, what was I thinking to do next? I mean, I guess I like hit all the major points because I'm like spawning down bugs, and we're getting through them. We're like, we're fixing stuff. We're accomplishing stuff, and I guess the so like what's the next what's the next thing to do? Oh, Kivi, right? Yeah, we were doing that, so we could give that a shot and see what shakes out with that. Whoops, what am I doing? Yeah, it just occurred to me I don't want all these like tabs open because they're confusing and stuff. So, oh yeah, brick stacking bricks. Hold on, wait, let's stack some bricks real quick. Look at all these bricks we'll stack. Stacking so many bricks. Stacking bricks. Stacking bricks. All right, I'll let that run for a little while. And what was the other thing? Yeah, no, I don't need to keep that script open. The oh yeah, I'm gonna make a. Do I use OBS? Yes. You should know that. You should know that. um. All right, that's enough bricks. No, not quite enough. So the one thing I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna make a copy of the I'm just gonna make a copy of the script, the current version of the script, because I want a version that I can test Kivi stuff in while doing other stuff. So I'll just call this like um I don't know. I have stable. I have G thread. I have art hack. Oh, art hack. I can get rid of art hack. Actually, no. I guess that art hack is as good as the next art hack would be, anyways. So, whatever. All right. So, oh, yeah. You know what just occurred to me is that thing where I'm artificially limiting frame rate is like not actually a thing. Like that doesn't actually matter. Like the way I implemented it doesn't actually like work. Fun fact. um, oh, that's enough bricks. That's probably too many bricks. Sorry about that. That's an inappropriate number of bricks. Um, but yeah, for one thing, we're not hitting that frame rate limit, and for another thing, the way I implemented it, like it only works if we're actually hitting the limit. Otherwise, it just like does literally nothing, which should be obvious, except that like it couldn't do anything. Like if the frame rate shot up to like 100 frames per second, like that limit that we imposed would do nothing. Instead, the game would run at 100 frames per second, which is not a bad thing. So I think the gist is that I should just take out that thing. What did I call it? Like refresh rate? Yeah, I should just not even bother about that because it's just like unnecessary processing that like doesn't actually amount to anything. So ditch that, and then what oh yeah, so all this gets like unindented now because I dropped a conditional. Do all of this unindented. Oops. Wait a second. Oh wait, it doesn't stop there though. Wait, did I unindent the right amount of stuff? I might have unindented too much stuff. Nope, that was correct. But yeah, I actually didn't undent enough stuff because also this gets unindented. All of this as well. Alright. Yeah, literally all the way down to here. So shift tab. Okay. And then, yeah, okay. I wonder if there's like a, huh. Oh, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do is yeah, down here, like right after the last message and everything, I'm gonna say, if, actually no, I can do it, I can do it where, like, I can do it at the start of this frame when I'm doing like the frame time thing, so like G frame time. So, or no, I can do it, when I calculate delta frame. Oh no, whatever. I basically want to check this number here, G frame time minus last graphics time. And I guess I can do it anywhere. I'll just do it right at the start, because I just want to see if there's like any correlation between like the slow frames and like the messaging system, because like some of the messages are a little beefier than some of the other messages, and so I just want to make sure like so alright, so last graphics time. I'm setting this based on G frame time, right? Not on time.time. Yeah, okay, good. Just checking. Okay. So oops. Yeah, so if G frame time minus last graphics time, let's say if it's greater than uh, what is it? So like, hold on, calculator. So 1 divided by 30 is 0.333. So what is like 1 divided by like 20? That's 0.5. Yeah, I knew that. So let's say it was greater than 0.5. That's actually going to happen fairly often. Yeah, but I guess that's fine. So for starters, I'll do a little higher. I'll do like 0.66. So if it's running at less than 15 frames per second, then, or like whenever a frame takes longer than that amount, we'll say print I don't know, like slow, or yeah, I'll just go back to the delayed frame print that I used to have. Delayed frame actually means something different, so I'll say slow frame. Slow frame, and then I guess the value. Because we're already printing out the messages as they come through, so now whenever one of these comes, whenever we get one of these delayed frames or slow frames, we'll be able to see what was the message that immediately preceded it. And if there's, I don't know, it could be that there's like not even any correlation between the slow frames and the messages. Like it could be, I don't know what it could be. I mean, one thing that we could do, I don't know if this, I think we did this once before, but I don't know if it actually like took, is that we can like, apparently like, what is it? It's like, if we go to details of like, oh, PyCharm, not PyCharm, PyCharm? No, like Python, or like, yeah, properties, wait, there's some way that you can change like the priority of like, of these like running processes or something. So it's like, oh, set priority. I think I set the priority for this as higher once upon a time, and it doesn't seem to persist. And I don't even know if that would actually like change anything. I guess there's no harm in trying it, but yeah, I don't know. It does look smooth now. Oh, spoke too soon. All right, well, whatever. We'll see how that goes. Uh, all right, so then, yeah, I don't know. I guess that's fine for now. Um, yeah, I don't know. I want it to get better, but it's not going to happen immediately. So I'll just have to keep an eye out and keep up. Oh, whoa, what happened here? Are you serious? More pens? How are all these pens? I shut up. I seriously searched the entire document for messages.append, and it said there were no other instances of it, and yet here we are. What the heck? That's pathetically dumb. And there's still more instances of it. What the heck? Oh no, this one is real. Uh, but like, why did it keep saying that there were no more instances of it when clearly, uh, I swear I've run that check like 3 times, and there. Shut up. How are there? How are there so many of them? This is creeping me out. All right. Well, I clearly have to restart the script, so I'll bring down the script now, and we can bring it back up in just a moment. Is someone like secretly undoing my code as I do it? Like, is there like are there little gnomes on the other side that are like hitting secret like Control Z, Control Z, Control Z? All right. Well, now it says this is the only one that's left, so now I feel like it should work. Unless I wonder if there's like messages.pop left anywhere else. No. Put is the good one. All right, pop. Yeah. All right, we'll see. Hopefully those goblins will stop harassing us. All right. So Kivi then, I guess. Might as well do Kivi stuff while. Oh yeah, and away mode was not always on. I think it was using a. Oh, have I ever had a black screen problem? Oh, with monitor capturing? Yeah, no, I know what that's about, Benry's mustache. If you're still here, I can help you with that if you need help with it. Yeah, I did get that once, and I know exactly what it's about. So, uh, sorry, I zoned out of chat. I didn't notice that until. Um, Fun fact: a good way to get me to ignore you really fast is to make a really dumb username. I'm not saying I try not to judge people's usernames, but if you use my username and your username, I immediately hate you. So, fun fact. um, no, but I'm still willing to help people that I hate. Um, all right. So yeah, I'll let the script cool off for a second more, and in the meantime, I'll I don't know, install Kivi or something. I don't know. Let's see what this does. I extract to de-downloads. That doesn't sound right. Why extract? Self-extracting archive? Was that my only download option? Why would I want a self-extracting archive? That sounds incredibly unuseful. Self-extracting archive? Okay. No? No? I don't know, no. um, where was my, wait, no, where'd my downloads go? Downloads. Uh, Show in folder. All right. Well, if you insist on being a self-extracting self-extracting archive, then I guess the least annoying place for you to be self-extracting would be. I'll make a folder. I'll make a brand new folder just for you, self-extracting archive. I'll name it stupid files go here. Sorry. So let's extract there, you self-extracting archive. How's that? How's that? Go there. Go there. It is clearly the place for you to go. Are you not doing anything? Oh, there you go. All right. What? 50 minutes remaining? An hour remaining? Okay, wait, no, it's going down again. But it's like going down like 40 minutes. Are you serious? I thought I was joking when I called these files literally stupid. But I think they're literally stupid. That's amazing. That's amazing. Alright, well, it's getting down to like 15 minutes or so. So that's better, I suppose. But like, that's really amazing. Sorry. I'm gonna mute the, or no, I'll rerun the script first, and then I'm gonna mute the microphone for just 1 second. I'm not actually going anywhere, but I'll be right back. Sorry, just 1 second. Sorry for the delay. Sorry, I'm just gonna take a quick peek at the art, like in this context. It looks weird, or it looks different when because on my screen, like, it doesn't even just have that black background. It has like a bright pink background, and I think this is good. This is roughly like what I was aiming for, I guess. I mean, like, I didn't know that I was gonna keep it. I think I'm fairly satisfied with how it came out. Although, like, when I was working on it, I don't know. It seemed entirely likely that I would like work on it and then like abandon basically everything that I had done, because I it's like I don't know. It's a little weird, like, because I don't know. I'm trying to go for like a smooth animation for the backgrounds, because I think the backgrounds look better with a smooth animation. But like, there's still only 4 frames per second of character animation, so you know, you know how it is. Unless you don't, in which case, it's like this. All right, so yeah, let's move this off screen, and oops. Uh, now, whenever I drag the screen, um, sorry, if I drag the screen, oh yeah, we changed it cold zero. I'm just showing if I hold onto the screen, the characters will jump, and the characters will also spin their feet for a little while when I let go, which amuses me. I'll be honest, it just amuses me. I might want to change that. I mean, it's not a big deal, but like the spinning their feet thing is a little bit silly. um, yeah. So cool. Yeah. If you were here like last week and today, then you probably saw that we were like refactoring a lot of stuff, and the whole point of the refactor was to get it more like this. It used to be the case that like, and it still is the case that like, the way the game processes data tends to be in like it tends to be a bit chunky. So like there oftentimes like we'd got it so that it was like smooth enough that the oh hey Kivi finished, good for it. Um, uh, all right, so read me. Um, yeah, we got it smooth enough so that when the game was like, so it was never so chunky that like it couldn't run at like 4 frames per second or like 5 frames per second as we had it previously. But yeah, we just like threaded like a ton of things so that way. Oh yeah, actually huh. I feel like huh the slow frame notify should be working, but I haven't seen it yet. Slow frame. Wait, what? Slow frame, delayed frame. um, okay. I think because I'm printing from 2 different threads, it sometimes merges the prints together. I've only gotten one slow frame so far. Oh, and it was the one that I dragged the thing around for like an hour. Really? Oh, I must have gotten the number wrong. I must have done 0.66 instead of 0.066. Yeah. So let's go to this slow frame. Uh, yep, I did 0.066 or 0.66 instead of 0.066. Yeah. All right. That's better. Um, so yeah. Don't mind me, just belly drumming. Um, yeah, I know we've had a lot of pirate ship quests today, but uh, it's just I don't know. I swear it's random. It just doesn't always feel random, I guess. Whatever. Okay, so let's uh, let's now. Oh yeah, the Kiwi stuff, right? So the README. Uh, Read this first. This version of Kiwi is a portable Win32 version. Are you kidding? Oh, 32 bits or 64 bits. Okay. Uh, well then. Uh, Wait, this means that everything you need to run Kiwi, including Python and all other dependencies, are included? Really? Really, Kiwi? Um, alright. Why is this the portable version? I did not ask for the portable version, did I? Whatever. I don't care. Um, alright, whatever. Am I aware of what happened to the stream for a moment there? There's like 10 clones of the. Oh, you're talking about this. This is this is what it looks like if I take OBS and I full screen it so that I can see it. Because like you guys can see it, no problem. You guys can see the stream. You guys are watching the stream. I can't see the stream unless I do this to it. So, yeah. I try and do it only in emergencies, but yeah. Wait, hold on. I didn't do the thing. I didn't do wait, was it? Yeah, like wait, hold on, wait, no, I did this all right once. Yeah, here we go. All right, whatever. um, so yeah, so Kiwi, we're maybe using Kiwi or at least trying it. I don't want to run portable Kiwi. Stop saying portable Kiwi. Run a Kiwi application without going to the command line. I don't care about any of this stuff. It's like, oh, here we are. Are you serious? Inside the Kiwi folder, inside this one, please refer to the installation instructions in the complete README. Inside the Kiwi folder, inside this one. Inside the Kiwi folder, inside this one. So far, I don't understand why people like Kiwi, because this is annoying, frankly. um, I guess installing Kiwi for development. Wait, what are the required dependencies? You don't talk about dependencies. It doesn't talk about dependencies, and then it's like, now that you've installed the dependencies, does that mean there are no dependencies? Or, um, I don't know.